Track 99. A.
Lorry driver.
B.
Footballer.
C.
Firefighter.
D.
Journalist.
E.
Musician.
F.
Photographer.
G.
Waiter.
H.
Doctor.
I.
Farmer.
J.
Nurse.
Track 100.
Hi, Megan here. I'm on holiday with my family at the moment. We're having a great time. Right, let's see what everyone's doing today. OK, so that's my dad. He's a doctor. He helps people at work every day. But he's not at work today. Today, he's in the swimming pool with my sister. He's teaching her how to swim. And there's my mum. She's a musician. But she isn't playing her guitar now. She's eating a big ice cream. Then there's my Uncle Tony. Tony's got an interesting job. He's a lorry driver. He drives all over Europe. He sometimes goes to Africa too. Today he's trying to catch a fish. This is Amanda. She's Tony's wife. She's a waitress. She works in a restaurant every evening. She isn't working now. She's taking a photo of Tony. And this is my brother, Jamie. He's a photographer. He's very good at taking photos, but he's not doing that today. He's sleeping in the sun.
Track 101. Conversation 1.
Has your brother got a job?
Yes, he has. He drives a taxi.
Really? Does he drive you to school every day?
No, of course not.
Conversation 2.
What does your dad do?
He works in a restaurant.
That's interesting.
But he isn't working now. He's cooking our dinner.
Oh, good.
Conversation 3.
Hi, Millie. It's Jess here. I'm in Jamaica. What are you doing? I'm in bed. Oh, sorry. I'm sitting on the beach and I'm eating a big ice cream. Lovely.
Track 102.
Lunch menu. Soup with bread. Vegetable soup. Tomato soup. Sandwiches. Cheese and tomato. Egg. Drinks. Juice. Orange or apple. Water. Tea. Coffee. Hot meals. Chicken and rice. Fish and chips. Ice cream. Chocolate or vanilla?
Hi, Hannah. My waitress can't come to work this morning. Can you help?
OK, Dad. I can be a waitress for a morning. That's an easy job.
Thanks, Hannah. See you soon.
Table 1.
Can I have some vegetable soup and a cheese sandwich, please?
Yes, of course.
Table 2.
Can you clean this table, please?
Sure, no problem.
Table 3.
Can I have some coffee, please? And a glass of water?
Okay. Can I go home now, please? I'm really tired.
Track 103. A.
Salt.
B.
Pepper.
C.
Glass.
D.
Cup.
E.
Plate.
F.
Bowl.
G.
Sugar.
H.
Fork.
I.
Knife.
J.
Spoon.
K.
Bottle.
Track 104.
Yes, of course. Yes, please. Sure, no problem. Okay.
Track 105.
Be safe. Do you use a computer? Are you safe on the internet? Do this quiz and see. 1.
I often use the internet. Is it a good idea to write my real name?
A. Yes, it is. You can write your name and age. B. No, it isn't. Don't write your name, address, or phone number. 2.
I've got a new friend on the internet. Is it a good idea to meet this person?
A. Yes, it is. Meet this person in a cafe or at their home. B. Never. You don't really know this person. Be safe. Don't meet someone you don't know. 3.
I'm 12 years old. Can I join social media sites?
A. Yes, you can. You can join all social media sites when you are 10. B. No, you can't. You can join most social media sites when you are 13. 4.
I like surfing the internet. Are all websites good for me?
A. Yes, they are. All websites are good for young people. B. No, they aren't. Some websites are not good for young people. Ask your teacher or parents. They can help you find good websites. 5.
I've got lots of photos of me and my friends. Is it a good idea to put these photos online?
A. Yes, it is. Everyone likes looking at photos. B. No, it isn't. Put photos online and lots of people can see them. So, always ask your parents first. Before you put photos of other people online, ask them.
Track 106. Are your answers right?
You have 5 A answers. All your answers are wrong. You are not safe on the internet. You have some A answers and some B answers. Only your B answers are correct. You are sometimes safe on the internet, but be careful. You have 5 B answers. All your answers are correct. You are safe on the internet.
Track 107.
What is cyberbullying?
It's when someone isn't nice to you on the internet.
Track 108.
Hi, I'm here to speak about cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying?
It's when someone isn't nice to you on the internet.
That's right. It's when someone isn't nice. When they are horrible to you on the internet, again and again. So, how can someone be horrible to you on the internet?
They can write and send bad emails.
Yes, they can send bad emails or messages. Anything else?
Yes, they can put horrible photos of you online.
OK, they can put photos of you online. Photos you don't like. So, what can you do when someone isn't nice to you on the internet?
Well, when someone's horrible to you, you can be horrible to them.
No, that isn't a good idea. If you are horrible too, then the problem can get very big very fast. Don't answer bad emails or texts. Don't reply. Show the emails or messages to an adult. Talk to your mum or dad. It's a good idea to tell an adult. You can tell a teacher or a parent.
What can we all do to stop cyberbullying?
Good question. There are lots of things we can do. First, don't do it. Don't send horrible emails or texts. Don't put photos of other people online. And what else can you do to help someone?
Tell an adult.
Yes, it's a good idea to tell an adult when someone needs help. Thank you, everyone.
Track 109. 1.
Hi, Daniel.
Hi, Jane. Where are you? Can you talk?
No, I can't. I'm practicing the guitar with my friends. Call you later. Bye.
Bye, Jane.
2.
Hi, Daniel.
Hi, Jim.
Wait a minute.
Where are you? Can you talk?
No. Sorry. I'm running. I've got to practice for Saturday. I can't talk now. Call you later. Bye.
Bye, Jim.
3.
Hello?
Hi, Paul.
Who's that?
It's Daniel. Can you talk?
No, sorry.
Paul, no phones.
Whoops. I can't talk now. I'm dancing. I've got a test tomorrow. Call you later. Bye.
Bye, Paul.
4.
Hi, Daniel.
Hi, Isabella. Can you talk?
Yes. I'm cleaning my room. Wait a minute. OK.
I'm in the park. I want to play football. Can you come?
Yeah, sure. That's great. See you in a minute.
See you, Isabella. Bye.